Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to connect Calendly to Facebook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now after that you just need to go and log into your profile guys, or if you don't have one you can always go and register to Calendly. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and see what actually we have in front of us. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the Create button, Schedule Event, Upgrade Plan, and the Admin Center in the bottom left corner. Also in the top right corner, we have, as you can see, everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and connect Calendly to Facebook. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically what you need to do guys is go and follow the link that I'll be providing you here. So which is calendly.com/integration/Facebook pixel. So here we have, as you can see, Calendly plus Metapixel. Formerly Facebook Pixel track customer across your Calendly pages and use the data to build better ad campaigns. Now what you need to do is you have two options, add integration or chat with support. You need to go and click on the add integration. After that, when you click there, you'll have this, track your events and conversations and requirements. What you need to do is click on go to setup and you'll then have the setup. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found it informative. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And as always, guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye, guys.